Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone had a great New Year. And I feel like this year, 2025, is going to be a year full of creativity, growth, and success. And I want to say, this video is long overdue, but I am finally back. Yes, I took a break from crafting and YouTube for a while, and I'm ready to get back in. But first, let me show you guys my updated craft room. I added some pegboards to the wall, and these are from IKEA, and they've been a game changer for storing all my tools and my supplies. And on this blank wall in the middle, I'm planning to make a custom wood sign with my logo on it, which I am super excited about because I love doing everything. Wood signs, DIY projects. And if you know me, you know how much I love working on wood projects. Originally, when I first started crafting back in 2021, I worked in my living room and my dining room to do my projects. And if I can't find clips, I will surely insert them so you guys can see how I actually worked in the living room and the dining room opposed to coming to the basement. And honestly, I don't know why I didn't think about this from day one. Moving my workspace to the basement has been the best decision ever. I have so much more space and it's way easier to be organized. Also, I keep a lot of my supplies and some of my tools, like my paint as well, inside the laundry room. That I will show you guys another day. And most of the videos I'll be recording from now on will be right here in my basement. So you'll be able to see pretty much all of it. I'm probably going to get better lighting down here, just so things can be more brighter. Still got a lot of work to do. But as of right now, this is my setup. Way more space and I love it. Here's my printer. I actually just bought this printer because my other one crashed out on me. The sublimation printer. Here's my heat press, my tumbler press, my Cricut, and my mug press. These I have for some years now. But yes, I can't wait to show you guys what we've been working on, what's coming up next, because we have a lot of projects to get done. And you will be seeing more DIYs, home projects as well on this channel. And I'm really excited about what's ahead for 2025. And I do have a lot of goals that I hope to accomplish before this year is over. One of my goals is to grow my YouTube channel. My goal reached, if I could get to 3,000 subscribers by this year and stay consistent with uploading videos, that would be really great. Also, I want to expand my crafting business. Started to add new products. I do want to learn new skills. I would like to master more woodworking projects. And also just being organized, keeping my craft room tidy. And also, growing on YouTube, I do want to engage with the community more. I want to connect with people, even if it's just through comments, collaborations, or live streams. That I do want to do more this year. I do want to start doing live streams. So these are just some of my goals that I would love to accomplish this year. And you know what? Let's start speaking into existence. I will accomplish these goals. As long as I push myself and I work harder, it's going to happen. I'm looking forward to, and I'm ready to stay focused and make all of this happen this year. I know I've been slacking, but this year, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep pushing. And I made this bar wood sign last year. I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if I have a video on it. Let me see if I can show you guys how it looks when it's lit up. I'm going to have the light on. Got 2 settings. Alright, this is how it looks with the lights on. I am going to be making a bar. Been saying that for like 2 years now, but I'm going to definitely do it this year when it gets a little warm outside. And this is my first wood sign bar with the frame that I made. I'll show you how it looks. Okay, and this is how it looks with the blinking lights. And you know what? Let me show you guys what my daughter, she installed LED lights for us in our basement. Hold on. So My daughter installed us some LED lights, change the colors. Want to get me some games for this basement as well. Definitely want to get the Miss Pac-Man game. So yeah, let's change the colors. I'm excited to get back to my crafts. Let me know in the comment section what videos you would like to see as well, whether it's tutorials, behind the scene looks, or just specific projects you're interested in. And I love to just hear you guys' ideas. And thank you all for being here with me. Everybody stay blessed and let's make 2025 amazing. Let's get to work.